سلام چطورین خوبین؟ Today we're gonna start working with adverbs of frequency in Persian.
We're going to use these adverbs first in units 4 and 5 to talk about our daily routine and free time activities. And then we're going to keep using them extensively throughout the course to talk about how often we do something, especially in Unit 22 when we talk about our tastes and interests, and Unit 27 when talking about hobbies and entertainment. Now let's go over our adverbs. همیشه, always. معمولاً, usually. اغلب, often. بعضی وقتها, sometimes. به ندرت, rarely. هیچ وقت, never. There are two things to remember when using frequency adverbs in Persian. Adverbs of frequency normally go immediately after the subject, and adverbs of hiç in general are always followed by the negative version of the verb. In other words, as soon as you say hiç in Persian, your verb turns into its negative version. Now let's see how our adverbs work within context. Take a look at the vocabulary and tell me how we can say I always go out on the weekend. من همیشه آخر هفته میرم بیرون. I usually don't go out during the week. من معمولاً در طول هفته نمیرم بیرون. Do you often walk home? Literally, do you often come home on foot? تو اغلب پیاده میای خونه؟ Don't you sometimes take the subway home? Literally, don't you sometimes come home by metro? تو بعضی وقتها با مترو نمیای خونه؟ She rarely eats breakfast during the week. اون به ندرت در طول هفته صبحونه میخوره. He never eats lunch at work. اون هیچ وقت سر کار ناهار نمیخوره. We always go to the beach on the weekend. ما همیشه آخر هفته میریم ساحل. We usually don't go to the movies during the week. ما معمولاً در طول هفته نمیریم سینما. How do you often come to work? شما اغلب چطور میاین سر کار؟ Don't you sometimes take the taxi to work? Literally, don't you sometimes come to work by taxi? شما بعضی وقتها با تاکسی نمیاین سر کار؟ They rarely have breakfast at the cafe. اونا به ندرت توی کافه صبحونه میخورن. They never have dinner at home. اونا هیچ وقت توی خونه شام نمیخورن.
Perfect. Now you know how to use your adverbs of frequency when you're talking about your daily routine and free time activities. Have fun with your Persian and see you soon.